Doors closing. There we go. Let's scoot down a little so that we're in a kiss. But now we're in a Hershey's kiss.
Welcome to the Hershey Park Kissing Tower. For your safety, please remain seated during the ride and refrain from sitting or leaning on the doors and windows.
Going up.
Smoking is
Oh, look, we're
prohibited.
spinning already.
And enjoy your ride. The Kissing Tower stands 330 feet high from its base to flagpole. Today our cabin will climb 250 feet into the air, making 3 rotations during the ride. Take in the views of Hershey, Pennsylvania, and listen to the story of how it came to be. Our founder, Milton S. Hershey, opened his chocolate factory in the middle of Derry Township in 1905. He chose this location due
Oh, yeah,
to
we're going
convenient
pretty
access
high.
to fresh milk
I see the
from local
mountains.
farms. Today, his factory town is known
All
as
of Hershey.
Hershey, the sweetest place on earth.
And it's spinning, so we get to see the whole thing.
Houses, businesses, and entertainment came into existence, creating the town we know today. Let's take a closer look at some of the attractions inspired by our founder. Hershey Park was originally created as leisure grounds for the employees of Hershey's Chocolate
We're
Factory.
pretty high now.
Today, our family theme
Now
park
we're
has
pretty
over
high.
70 rides and attractions, including 14 coasters and Reese's
Over the
Puff
whole
Fusion,
Hershey Park.
an all-new interactive gaming ride.
Is it pretty cool?
Next, you'll see Zoo America, a year-round
Yeah.
11-acre walk-through zoo, home to more than 200
You like this ride?
from 5 regions of North America.
Like a giant
The
elevator.
zoo began when Milton Hershey received prairie dogs as a gift.
Spinning
Entry is
elevator.
included in your one-price admission when you enter through the bridge connecting Hershey Park and Zoo America. Beyond the park is the Hershey Gardens, home to the Milton and Catherine Hershey Conservatory. Visit today and flutter along with hundreds of tropical butterflies at the Butterfly Atrium, open year-round. You will also notice some of the signature Hershey icons, including the Hershey smokestacks, the Hershey cocoa bushes located at the site of the original chocolate factory, and Hershey's Kisses street lamps throughout the town of Hershey. Join us in 2020 as we open the inauguration of Hershey Park, Hershey's Chocolate Town, where fun meets chocolate. Across the street is the historic Hershey Theater. Mr. Hershey's Great Building Campaign to remind jobs during the Great Depression. He commissioned the construction of several grand structures, including Hershey Park Arena, Hershey Park Stadium, and the Hotel Hershey. Next to the Hotel Hershey is Catherine Hall, part of the Milton Hershey School. Hershey Entertainment and Resorts and the Hershey Company are proud to help fulfill the dream of our mutual founder.
Oh, there's the water ride. It's closed right now.
Value to Milton Hershey School, the largest home and school in the world, as it continues
Well, now we're going pretty fast, going down.
We hope you've enjoyed your elevated tour of Hershey. Please remain seated until the ride comes to a complete stop, and then follow the instructions to exit the cabin. Thank you for riding the Kissing Tower. We hope you enjoy your time at Hershey Park.
Manual doors. Some manual. Watch these manual doors. Now you want to watch it go up? Here, we got to watch from over here. Tower? Oh, look, we can watch from right here, I bet. Oh, let's see this go all the way up there. Maybe we'll try to find somewhere not in the trees. Okay, let's go around this way so we can see the doors closed, and then we'll see if we can see it without trees blocking the way. And then we'll do these antique cars. Oh, look, a nice little fountain.
It's a nice little fountain thing.
Yeah. Nice fountain. Yeah. Now we're just going to watch the doors close. Now this guy's going up this time. Doors closing. All right, now let's watch it go up. Let's watch from over here. Let's see, can we see it? Yeah, here it goes. Kind of trees in our way here. If we can get it without the trees. Look at it spinning. There it goes, going up. Going up, 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 up. Pretty cool, huh? Look how high it goes. I think it's at like 200 something feet up in the air. Pretty crazy.
The sun is following it.
Yeah, the sun's following it.
Yeah.
All right, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye, YouTube.